our second activity, which is button plus buzzer activity. For this activity we will follow the same process as I explained in the first activity. I have given all links of codes and software in the description, so you can download software from these links and use the code for the activities. So in this activity we connect the push button to the microcontroller input and buzzer to the output pin. When we press this button, the circuit sends high signal to the controller, which immediately turns on the buzzer. As soon as we release the button, the input becomes low and buzzer switches off. This is the basic principle of digital input and output. The button acts as an input device and the microcontroller processes the input, and the buzzer acts as an output devices. It's just like how pressing the doorbell works in real life. From this activity you will understand how input and output devices communicate with the microcontroller and how simple press can trigger an action. So you can see when I press the button, the buzzer alerts. This is our second activity.